Isang mapagpalayang pagbati, mga kasama ng mga base militar ng US na magsalita at magprotesta. Base militar ng US ay para sa ating kapayapaan. Tunay na naglilingkod sa ating bayan. Kaya ang paalala sa ating laban ang ating mga bayani at ang hamon
We are here to condemn the U.S. for its expanding U.S. military operations and presence in the Philippines. We are here to condemn the U.S. acts of aggression in West Asia and other parts of the world. We are here to highlight that the Filipino people are standing up for genuine freedom. We do not want our communities to be dragged into the proxy wars and conflicts of the U.S. We are here to condemn the U.S. acts of aggression in Iran and West Asia. We may be far from Iran, but we are feeling the impact of the crisis in Iran through the rising prices of oil, through the displacement of our migrant workers, through the effect of the global economy that is under attack because of the continuing disruption in the oil supply.
The Filipino youth calls for genuine independence, and for that to happen, the United States has to step off Filipino land and has to take away all the policies that are continuously influencing and are being used to benefit them, not us. Now we have the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement, Mutual Defense Treaty, VSA, that continuously allow U.S. military to step on Philippine soil and use our resources for their own capital profit and gain.
Mamamayang Pilipino,
We are
anuman ang iharang
on the
ng
occasion of
pasistang
the
Estado,
so-called Philippine
anuman ang
Independence
iharang
Day,
ng mga
especially
terdugong
now
pulis,
that we are not
hindi
truly
tayo
independent,
aatras,
that
hindi
the
tayo
United States
matatakot.
under Trump
Ang
still
good news,
considers
mga
the
kasama,
Philippines as its
nandito pa rin
colony.
ang
They want to put
revolusyonaryong
bases,
kilusan
troops,
ng mamamayang
missiles, and
Pilipino,
now
ang
war production hubs
pinakamaasahan,
in our country under
pinakamatibay,
American law
hindi
with full
matitiyak,
immunity for American
na
forces. This is
pinagtatanggol
really
ang kalayaan at soberanya
contrary
ng
to any
ating
claims
bansa,
that we are
ang pinakamalaking
independent
tinik
and that we are
sa
sovereign.
lalamunan.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.